Right, welcome to Rajesh Lekalu. Today our topic is ring homomorphism unit. In the topic today, field of coefficient. Field of coefficient, the minimum field which consists of an integral domain is called as field of quotient of an integral domain. Okay, field of quotient. Field of quotient, the minimum field which consists of an integral domain is called as field of quotient of an integral domain. Right, another definition. Another definition. A field is said to be prime if it has no subfield. There's no subfield other than itself. Right? Right. Theorem. Any two isomorphic integral domain have isomorphic quotient field. This is very, very most important theorem andi. Right. Proof. Suppose D and D dash are two isomorphic integral domains. Let small f be an isomorphic of capital D onto D dash. That is f of a plus b equal to f of a plus f of b. F of a into b equal to f of a into f of b for all a comma b belongs to D. Next time let this is field f dash f be the quotient fields of D and D dash respectively. Next, and then capital F consists of the equivalence classes of the form A by B, where A comma 0 not equal to B belongs to D. Next time, and F dash consists of the equivalence classes of the form f of a by f of b, where f of a comma 0 not equal to f of b belongs to D dash. Ikkada a b, now here f of a 0. Next line, define a mapping pi from f tends to f dash by pi of a by b equal to f of a by f of b for all a by b belongs to capital F. Consider a by b equal to c by d. If and only if AD cross multiplication AD equal to BC. If and only if f of AD equal to f of BC. Now see here, A f of A, B f of B. Using that, this one, that implies f of A into f of D, f of B into f of C. See there, f of AB equal to f of A into f of B. See here, f of A, f of D equal to f of B into f of C. Okay, now cross multiplication here, f of A by f of C equal to f of B by f of D. Therefore, pi is well defined. Pi is well defined and 1 to 1. Pi is well defined and 1 to 1. Right. If f of A by f of B belongs to f dash, then A by B belongs to f, and pi of A by B equal to f of A by f of B. That is, pi is onto. Next, and further pi of A by B plus C by D that equal to pi of BD AD plus BC. LCM here, that equal to f of AD plus BC by f of BD. F of AD plus BC by f of BD, that equal to f of AD plus f of BC f of BD, right? That equal to f of A into f of D plus f of B into f of C by f of B into f of D. Okay, right? F of A into f of D by f of B into f of D plus f of B into f of C by f of B into f of D. BB DD get cancelled, that equal to f of A by f of B is f of C by f of D. F of D, that equal to pi of A by B plus pi of C by D. Pi of C by D. They also pi of A by B into C by D, that equal to pi AC by BD, that equal to f of AC by f of BD, f of A into f of C by f of B into f of D, that equal to f of A by f of B into f of C by f of D, that equal to pi of A by B into pi of C by D. Therefore, pi is an isomorphism. Pi is an isomorphism. Therefore, f nearly equal to f dash. Do you have any doubt? Please comment. Please subscribe my channel, like and share. Thank you.